had a little mishap on the way here. Front window started wagging. I thought it was open, but I pulled over and it's just like the two parts have come apart, so it's just the outer bit that was wagging, delaminated or something. So I'm held together with duct tape. There's always something. I'm always breaking something. Anyway, we're in Delamere. Oh, there's a camper van coming. I've brought something else. Another issue. See the puddle? Well, before there was a drip, and there still is a drip, drip, drip coming from thereabouts. And I thought, what's that? Anyway, turns out the pressure switch inside's leaking. I'll show you now. I'm out of breath now. I've been panicking. Now, there was all water here. And it's coming from under here. I don't know if you can see. I pour a torch on it, show up better, not really. But all there's wet, and it was coming from this thing under there. So I rung a few people. The first one I phoned wanted £202 just to come out and have a look. I was like, my God. So I'm just trying to find the receipt now. I'll let you know where it was. I think it was Alexandria or something. It's only up the road from Delamere. But I'll explain in a minute. I'll find the receipt and see where it was I've just been for a new one. Just bought a new one. £36.50 for that. And just in case, some new doodads, in case they don't like being messed with. There's all crumbs under there. So I've got to drain everything down with this. I may as well do that now. Drain all the water out, turn the taps on, get as much water out as possible, and then try and fix it myself on my Todd. Anything could happen, couldn't it? Anyway, there's always something. So not only have I brought my window on the way here, it's delaminated, but I've got a puddle. That's the new one on. If there's snoring in the background, it's Rolo, because he's absolutely fed up of me faffing about. That's the new one on. It's a good job. She did tell me that you have to pull. Oh, it's going to go out of focus. You have to like pull a little collar there to get it to ungrip. I don't know. Well, that was easy enough, but it was, I don't know whether to test it now. Fill the water back up, or finish it, then test it. I don't know. And the place where I got the thing from was Alexander Caravans, Stud Farm Buildings, Farm Road, Delamere. So that's where I got this, where I rung in a panic and explained what I needed, and got this part from, because that's the old one. I can't see anything wrong with it, but it was just leaking under there. It's probably all out of focus. So I don't know whether to refill everything up before I screw it to the floor. Excuse me. Or should I just go for it? Well, I'll mop up completely every little last bit of water and then, yeah, fill it up and we shall see. Well, it seems to be all working and not leaking. I've just refilled everything. I just don't know what I'd have done if the Alexander place hadn't had one of them, a whale something or other. What is it? Is it a pressure switch or something? I don't know. But it doesn't seem to be leaking now. But do I trust it? No. So I suppose I just fasten it back down to the floor. And it's done. I can't believe how quick that was. I mean, I was absolutely shaking when I found a puddle under there, because it's just one thing after another, isn't it? But sorted. So, one problem fixed. Plenty more to go.